I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Search and select the JetEngine action. Connect to JetEngine. JetEngine connected successfully. Next. Choose a task. Map the respective fields. Under Utilities, you'll find some advanced features. Select both checkboxes to display the post type on the admin menu. Per your requirements, you can add conditional logic as well. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the JetEngine dashboard. Then navigate to the post type. Here you can see that a post type was created successfully. It is also displayed on the admin menu bar. Thanks for watching.